Hello, everybody. I hope all of you saw my last video, but this is the engine test. So, pressure plate, engine itself, alternator. They're just do something. Okay. You know what? I want the Give me my joust back. 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 Yo, give me my joust. He deleted me. Oh yeah, that's my engine test. Where did my screw it on? And yeah. So yeah, I might make make another engine, but yeah, this is how the engine works. So you grab something heavy like the sledge here, conveniently placed, then drop it on the pressure plate. It goes into a delayer, activates the spinner, and then a velocity sensor detects that speed and then shares it to a wire to the alternator, activating off this. And yeah, the joints, they look a little bit weird, but I added that because, let me just show you why. Let me just show you why we need the joints in some vehicles. Uh-oh. That go there. And, yeah. That happens, and you see this? This should not be shaking like that. That's why joints happen. Also, the thing is spinning too much, so it's hitting stuff, and yeah. So you need some joints, but not too many joints. What are these dumbasses doing? I don't know, but I'm gonna put this on automatic, and I'm going to. Anyways, for the end of this video, I'm gonna joust somebody. Where are they? I'm gonna joust this dead body. Oh. What? I don't understand what these. Oh, he blew. He's blue. He blew now. I hope something bad isn't going on in the basement. Okay, yeah, no. But yeah, I also made a video about a car without this, or this, and it actually works. Yes, the physics are a little weird for the cars and stuff, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video by me driving the car. So where did I put it? Engineless car. Oh, I see where they are now. Okay. No. Dang it. So the car starts up, vibrates like a car would. Then I grab this, and it acts like a gas pedal for some reason. But then when that happens, you know, I'll start to go. And if I want to stop, I'll just put it back. So yeah. Also, I could grab this, but it would kill me. Why did Samuel say grab the joint? That sucks. But anyway, yeah, this is. Can I? So yeah, this is how the car looks. Yeah, the electric is a little bit funny. Same with the alternator and stuff, but yeah. Sometimes if the light is stuttering, that means the speed is somehow stopping. But just imagine playing this game, then you see this thing driving down the road. You would definitely want to get in this because, you know, it doesn't take gas, so you don't need to stop at all. But yeah, some things here might be impossible to get or something. But yeah, this is what the car's like idling. And then I can just... Did I just have to poop? Did I have to poop? But the one thing, the most important about the engine is stability. Because look, take this one joint off, it's going all over the place and hitting everything, making it not do anything good. But, except when I put the joint on, it's perfectly up. You need the perfect amount of joints to stabilize something. And you also need it to transfer a little to the car so it doesn't stay there and vibrate itself into pieces. So yeah. And yes, Samuel helped me with the design with this. Tried putting it back there, didn't work. But yeah. And this is where the alternator is. I mean, you can, give me a second. You can literally just, you know, boop, boop, bonk, kabonk, right there. Then alter. Then, dang it. Then boom, engine. Or alternator, sorry. I'm going insane right now. But yeah. Also, this is really good for if you really want to make something that vibrates, just use this. It's really easy to make. All you need to do is do this. Also, if you need it to give electricity, just do what I did. So yeah. This is the car and motor test. Anyways, see you.